A great way to give our immune systems a boost is to take a closer look at the benefits of vitamin C. Now, we can add that nutrition to our meals in a healthy and flavorful way by getting creative with citrus. So let's learn more. Joining us today is registered dietitian nutritionist Maggie Mahalchuk. Hi, Maggie.
Hi, Jane.
It's so great to have you here. We're talking about citrus and we love citrus. So remind us, why is citrus so good for us?
Citrus is packed full of vitamin C and other nutrients like potassium, some fiber, some B vitamins, which are great for our energy levels. And just the scent can make you feel more energized.
And when we say citrus fruit, we've got a lot of options. Can you give us some examples?
Ones I think most of us have on hand at home would be lemons and limes, and those are great. Oranges, of course, mandarins, perfect for snacking. You can grab grapefruits and blood oranges, Caracara oranges, which are a little pink in the inside. There's a lot of unique varieties out there that, again, provide that really good nutrition.
Maggie, from peel to pulp, you can use the juice and the zest in all of our recipes, which means there's room for creativity.
You can put the zest into things. You can use the juice for things. You can snack on the segments, of course. You can put it in a smoothie like I've done here, which is so nice, so refreshing. So it's so versatile and so nutritious, perfect to add to our meals and snacks this time of year.
All right, so today you've got a recipe that highlights the blood orange. Now, I know that sounds scary, so explain to us what a blood orange is.
The blood orange actually has the same plant pigments that blueberries have called anthocyanins, and these are very healthy antioxidants. They're sort of this dark red. They've got hints of pink and little hints of blue and purple in there too. Really, really beautiful looking in the inside. And this fruit you can use in so many different ways. We are gonna make a blood orange olive oil loaf cake. All right, so we are gonna start by whisking together our dry ingredients. And here I've combined oat flour, almond flour, some ginger, some cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder, salt. And then next for our wet ingredients here, we're gonna do 2 eggs, a half cup of olive oil, about a half a cup of yogurt, the juice of 1 whole blood orange. Now I'm going to zest 1 whole blood orange. And now we're gonna simply add our dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and stir together. This loaf will bake at 350 for about 50 to 55 minutes.
And now that the loaf is in the oven at 350 for 55 minutes, we can make the icing.
Yeah, so we're gonna use the blood orange juice to give us this really nice pink icing. So I'm simply gonna mix the juice in with some powdered sugar, some confectioner's sugar. And now I'm gonna simply add the icing on top to show you how to put it all together. And how pretty does that look?
Thank you for all the great information on all things citrus. So now we know we can use it in our cooking to live healthy. Okay, now we wanna hear from you. Do you have a favorite citrus recipe? We wanna see it. Just tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. All right, if you liked this video and you want more information about living a healthy life, just subscribe to our channel. We're happy you're here.